What's up, gang? Got the glasses on today. Got another one. This one's getting a new alternator. Let me see that guy right there. And let me see if I can flashlight. There we go. Jeez, you can't even really see it, so, but it's like right there. I'm gonna move all this stuff and then we come back and then you can see where it's at, because it's like it's in there. I gotta take the wheel off. I gotta take a bunch of stuff out. All right, so far got the fans out, battery right here is, there we go. So now we got mad space in there. Got the radiator out. All this stuff's got to go back in. We'll have to take the wheel off next. There's the alternator. So, ooh yeah, look, this mechanism, this silver thing, little dirty thing, that's the alternator. All right, that's it. So, you'll see in a second. All right, guys, here's your alternator. Okay, so it's down in there, but got everything off. Got the radiator out. Got the pulley off. See from the bottom. There you go, right there. This thing, that's the alternator, and it's totally loose, but I just need two hands because it's a little heavy. Check that out. So give me a second. Maybe I can set this thing up. Oh, look at that. There we go. I hope that doesn't fall. I don't have the case on my phone anymore, but come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come here, baby. I got you. Come here. Just a little finesse. Damn hoses is in the way. I don't want you to go that way. I want you to come this way. Yeah. Come to me. Come here. Come here. There we go. Come pop it. Yeah. Gotta wipe my hands off before I pick the phone up. Give me a second here. Alright. That's good. Here we go. So that's the get out of here. That's the old one. There go the new one. So alright, I'm just gonna put it all together. I'm not gonna even do it in steps. I'm just gonna put it all together. And when I come back, it's gonna be like pop, and then it's gonna be running like magic. There we go. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Voila! You know what I'm saying? Voila! Look at that. All right. Let's go back up front. All right. It's running. Everything sounds good. Just gotta let it heat up. Top this off. Good.